Very cool. Hello, Jakob. Welcome to the .me blog.
Hey.
You're one of the guys behind Voxio. Can you tell us a little bit about your startup?
So we're Voxio. We started a little bit like 9 months ago in Slovenia. We are doing the next generation of real-time web communication. At least that's our vision, and we think we're on a good way to achieving that. And we just recently relocated to Silicon Valley. We are pursuing our Series A around there, and everything's looking good so far.
Cool. So what is Voxio?
So Voxio started off by enabling people to call really simply from the web browser, but to call their Voxio friends and also their real-life phone numbers. But now we're also moving to the mobile platform, so people will be able to just carry around all their big social phone books from Voxio everywhere they go, be online all the time, and make real-life phone conversations and text messages wherever they go, basically.
Cool. So recently you recently you added a new service. Actually, it's an update of an existing service called Quick Call, and now it's VoxMe.
Yeah.
So it's something different than most. Basically, it's something that no other VoIP application has. What is VoxMe?
So VoxMe is every Voxio user has the ability to create this quick, short links, VoxMe/something, then send them around via email, Facebook, instant messengers to their colleagues, friends that are maybe not on Voxio at the time, that maybe don't even know what is internet telecommunication. They don't have to know because they just click on those links and they're calling people that actually created VoxMe links. So it really makes it super easy to talk to people that don't know about Voxio and don't have to know about Voxio. And we think that we are somehow crossing this big barrier that existed once when you have to join the voice or IP application and then connect on it with your friends. Here you're just sending those links and they expire after one call, so it's also really cool to do those calls with people you know that you will actually talk just once or twice in your life, and you don't need any connection with them after that call.
Cool. Sounds like a very, very interesting service. I had a chance to see the iPhone app, the beta of it. So what's the plan with the mobile experience, both for iPhone, Android?
Yeah, first we are starting off on iOS platform because we had to decide to go only on one because of our limited resources at the moment. We are quite close to coming on the App Store. We're just polishing the last bits and bytes of it, and we are really trying to replicate the look and feel of our web experience also on mobile. And our beta users seem to like it very much right now. So we think that it will be really cool when you have this whole social phone book with your address book, LinkedIn contacts, Google contacts with you all the time. You'll be online, and it will be really simple to just make phone calls wherever you are.
Cool. So you mentioned on stage that Voxio has moved to the US, to Silicon Valley.
Yeah.
What's the difference in working in Silicon Valley than from Ljubljana?
It's just a crazy environment. I mean, the density of people that work in tech in the Silicon Valley is amazing. There are probably more than 1 million people working in tech in the Silicon Valley, way more than 1 million. And everywhere you go, whether it's like going to the restaurant for a coffee or you go to buy groceries, people are talking about startups, about new ideas, and that actually makes it a really cool ecosystem to be in, because there are all the partners you want to talk to. There are lots of VCs that have money and that have the know-how and have the experience on building this kind of big vision startups, and we really feel that we are in the right place at the moment. And also, like, just the productivity has ramped up dramatically since we got there, as we live and work in the same space, and also just the team spirit has gone up. So we're really we're really thankful to have that opportunity to be there, and we hope to make the best out of it.
Very cool. Voxio has a very interesting user interface, very usable user interface, something that's not just easy to use, but also is a pleasure to use. The problem with a lot of startups from Eastern Europe is that they don't care that much about their design. What's the difference with Voxio? Why do you guys care about the design? Why have you based the design?
Just about the people, you know. I mean, people that have built this Voxio story just care so much about the user experience and the look and feel of it, and they have felt the pain of users in previous voice over IP applications that are just becoming more and more cluttered with each iteration. Just look at Skype version number 5 on Mac. So we are really trying to just build the simplest possible voice over IP application on the planet.
Is it just a matter of getting a good UI designer, or is it something more?
I mean, I think it has to be embedded in the culture where you just try to make everything in the simplest and purest form, be it programming or be it the design of the API. So it has to start from the founder and then down to every developer and every employee in the end. Even if it's just about a customer service or tweets or everything, it has to be embedded throughout the company culture, and then it slowly starts to show off, and people start to love it. We hope.
Cool. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you too.